appointment of the Chief of Defence Staff and formation of the DMA marks the beginning of the most historic phase of higher defence reforms in our country. And all of you, having been born in this perfect Tri-Services Institute at the start of the training called the National Defence Academy, are actually best equipped to successfully transform in this era of jointness as you grow in your respective services. I am confident that you will keep this in mind as you go into your next academies and into your service, and you will don this mantle of jointness as proudly as you will don your own uniforms. As budding military professionals, you should begin to understand that geopolitical churnings around the world have a direct bearing on the security environment in our neighborhood. Our armed forces have to be prepared for hybrid threats emanating from multiple fronts. This mandates very high levels of knowledge, dedication, commitment, and sacrifice, and leadership at all levels at all times. This is what each service and the nation would expect from you. As young officers, your role in any future conflict would be pivotal in ensuring the enemy designs are defeated and territorial integrity of our great nation is not compromised.